I'm sure you've heard the news, ad costs are up and returns are down. But what if you could spot the winners in your campaigns in just minutes a day? Let's unlock the secrets hiding in your ad dashboard. First things first, let's talk about 4 numbers you need to know. CTR, or click-through rate, tells you if people are actually clicking your ad. Think of it as your ad's thumbs-up counter. CPC, cost per click, is all about how much you're paying for each curious visitor. CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, is perfect if you want lots of eyeballs on your brand. And the real MVP, ROAS, return on ad spend. That's just a fancy way to ask, is this ad making me money? Now reading the numbers is like reading a weather report. High CTR but no sales? Your ad's great, but your landing page might be a leaky bucket. Low CTR? Time to spice up your ad. Try new headlines or images. If your ROAS is strong, don't be shy. Pump more budget into that campaign. Always tie these numbers back to real results for your business. Here's the secret sauce. Test everything. Switch up your headlines, swap out images, and tweak your audience. Watch which changes boost your numbers and double down on what works. Remember, the goal is simple. Better results, less wasted spend. Master your metrics and your ads will start working for you, not against you. Now go read those numbers like a pro.